Please prepare mat number 2, match number 44 for full final match, -100 kilograms, blue sash. Batang John Benjamin, Arts and Letters, white sash, Castillo, Ricardo Education.
Sino ba po?
Winner, white sash, Consuelo Kimberly, high school. Yes! Sayang! Huwag mong bibitawan! Huwag mong bibitawan! On deck for bronze medal match, -81 kilograms, blue sash, Viola P. Owen, AB, white sash, Marcel Arvin, architecture. Maganda hawak! Secure ka muna! Blue sash, AB, white sash, RT.
Go, Sipa!